Let's talk about legislation related to school transportation. AB 579 from Ting, Democrat, San Francisco, would require, beginning on January 1st, 2035, all newly purchased or contracted school buses to be zero-emission vehicles. LEAs that determined this goal was not feasible due to both terrain and route constraints may request a one-time extension for 5 years, and frontier LEAs would also be authorized to apply for annual extensions beginning in 2040 and ending in 2045. The CSBA position was opposed unless amended. The amendments were not accepted, and this bill was passed by the legislature on September 12th. SB 88, Skinner, Democrat, Berkeley, imposes new requirements for drivers who are either employed by or contracted with LEAs to provide student transportation services for compensation. In response to advocacy by CSBA and partners, the author agreed to amendments in late August that addressed CSBA's previous concerns. The CSBA position is now neutral. This bill was passed by the legislature on September 7th.